Okay, and what percentage on your entire account?
Last year was 15%.
15, 1-5, yes.
Yes.
Very good. First of all, thank you for your time. Tell us, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Robert. I'm from Passau in Germany.
Okay, fantastic. So Robert, what was your knowledge before you came to the investment mastery workshops? What was your knowledge or level?
On my history, I started with trading 5 years ago, and I tried it on my own. I read books, I watched YouTube videos, and it was an absolutely disaster. I lost about 4,000 euros. That was my whole account in only 3 or 4 months.
Oh, right. So you lost 100% in 4 months. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you.
What were you doing? Okay, fantastic. Okay, and then you came upon us by what? Reading the book or something, or?
Yes, I read your book, The Lunchtime Trader.
Yeah.
And so I watched. I looked in over Google where you have workshops and so on. And then I came to my first workshop in Würzburg. And I must admit that my first workshop, I was on my own world. I had the idea that I'm the profi trader. Yeah, despite this, in spite of that, I lost my whole account, but I'm the professional trader. Yeah, and so I didn't really listen to what your trainer said the first time. Yeah. But the second time I did it better. I thought, okay, let's throw all my knowledge aside and listen to him and try to trade like he says that you should trade. Okay. And from then now I went to break even, from losses to break even. Okay, good. That was the beginning. Yeah. And with the mentoring, I made from break even to profit.
Fantastic. Okay, so we'll come back to the results in just a moment. So I heard that you came on the workshop twice.
Yes.
So did you pay twice to come on the workshop?
The first time I paid.
Okay.
The second time I was a gold member. Because I took the gold membership when I was on the wealth creation mastery in Würzburg 2 years ago or 1.5 years ago. Okay. And then I made the gold membership, and the second time it was included in the gold membership.
Absolutely. We want people to come back until they succeed, however long that takes. Some people, lucky them. You know, but otherwise, normally, yeah, you need to listen a couple of times and get that stuff out of your head.
Yes, absolutely.
What did you want out of trading and investing? Like, what were your goals and aims?
My goal is to grow my wealth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's not cash flow; it's more wealth creation for later.
For the beginning, it's wealth creation, and later it's cash flow.
Oh, okay, cool.
But I need an amount of money to have a cash flow.
You need to build that up, absolutely.
Yes.
So let's talk about your results then. So you said that you were in a loss situation.
Yes.
But then after the second workshop, you then bought it all up and you made a profit. What percentage profit did you make?
On my second workshop, after my second workshop, I went to break even. And then with the mentoring with you and the coachings with Sirian and Dennis, I began to make profits.
Okay, and what percentage on your entire account?
Last year was 15%.
15, 1-5, yes.
Yes.
Very good.
And this year I'm now at also at 15%.
Okay, so another 15%, but
another
this time in a third of the time. So you're basically speeding up.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah, okay, that's great. What would you say to anybody who is, oh, by the way, which strategies are you using?
I'm using a VCA, which is the more profitable strategy for me, or was.
So the investment, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Investment, and the Buffalo strategy is the more interesting strategy. And so I used both, and the results were from both strategies together.
Okay, perfect. Wonderful. And are you doing any cryptocurrencies?
Only for investing.
Yes.
I bought
Well,
cryptocurrencies.
let's be very clear, but you still use a strategy. It's not buy and hold.
I used a strategy. I used the VCA strategy, but now I'm full invested.
So you're using the VCA strategy on the cryptocurrencies. And
Yes.
so are you in profit?
On many of the cryptocurrencies, I am. Some of them are over 100% in profit,
Wow.
and some of them are a little bit less, 50% or 30%.
It's profit.
Profit, yes, profit.
Oh, okay. Are you going to start taking a little bit of profit maybe as it goes up?
To be honest, I'm afraid to miss the next bull run.
It's a tough one, huh? It's a real tough one. I mean,
Yeah,
some of our traders are not only taking profit, they're selling short, as it goes down. Even
yeah,
though they have a long-term long position, in the short term they're short. You need good nerves for that.
yeah.
But otherwise you're waiting for the next bull run, which, to be honest, should really be happening pretty soon.
Mm-hmm.
But
Would be great.
as long as it happens, I think that even if it comes back down again, it just gives us an opportunity to maybe
Yeah.
accumulate some more. What would you say to anybody who's kind of looking at investment mastery, they're thinking about doing it, not sure? What would you say to them?
Go to Investment Mastery. I don't think that you can find another team of trainers which helps you more, which are willing to help you, not only to take your money, yeah, which a lot of trainer does. They are really interested to help you to make your money.
That's great. Thank you. We have a great team.
You have, yes.
It took a long time. Well, I'm really pleased. Very, very happy. Well, listen, thank you. Thank you so much. Is there anything you'd like to add in general, or?
Alles gut.
Alles gut.
Alles gut. Und Dankeschön, Markus, nochmal, gell, wegen Steven, ja.
That's in
Also,
German. You need to say this in English.
you still recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you for Steve, for the connection with Steve. He's really a great guy.
Yeah.
And I think he can help me to finish my way where I want to go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
He can put you together with people who have money. You can trade
Yes.
their money for them.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Very interesting. I wish you the best of luck. This isn't the end of our journey, because I know that you have volunteered to come and help at the workshops. Maybe
That's
even,
not the end.
Yeah, exactly. Become an instructor with us, which is, I'm really looking forward to. We need good people. We need people with the right values. We need people who want to help, who go the extra mile. And that's definitely you.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
It's a pleasure for me to work with you, because you have the right mindset. You are people who want to help you, who are positive, who goes the extra mile, like you said now. Yes.
Fantastic. Thanks, Sir Robert. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Bye.